What's Gucci YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo, back at it again with another video. And I know it's been a long time, and long story short, the car has just been a piece of junk to me. I've been fighting it left and right and haven't really found a fix to the same problem that I was having. But I figured that in this video I would go more into depth about what I'm experiencing, what I'm going through. When I bought the car, it did have this code, but when I went and looked at the car, I did research before I bought it, and the code was essentially saying just one of the camshaft sensors were bad. So buying the car thinking that that was the simple fix was probably the stupidest thing that I ever done. But given that this is a 2006 G35, it has 4 camshaft sensors. The code that I'm getting is an indication that that last one on the left side over here is bad, so I went ahead and replaced that. Reading on the forums, they were saying that if that doesn't fix the problem, replace the one next to it. Did that. That didn't fix anything. So within further investigation, I realized that the old wiring harness was open. I took it up to the Nissan dealership and was thinking that maybe it could have been the ECU being stuck, because I've had that issue with cars before. No. They ran the ECU. They said the ECU's fine, the numbers are fine, it's responding to everything, so it's not the ECU. So the guy at the dealership was telling me to replace the wiring harness, and I did it off camera. I do apologize. I have been doing stuff to the car, but I haven't recorded the process, so that's on me. But I did go through and do the whole entire wiring harness over again. Still didn't fix my problem. I kind of left the car down a little while and stopped messing with it, but that spirit, it lit up. Oh yeah, hold on, I forgot. Got my boy with me. Come here. You not gonna come here? Come here. Never mind. He don't want to cooperate today, so it's gonna be all right. But where was I at? Oh, there you go. Say what's up to the people. They got frustrated, stopped messing with the car, and the other day that spirit lit back up inside me and was like, I can fix this car. It has to be something simple. So in doing so, it dawned upon me that maybe I could figure out that it's something else. I scoured every forum possible applying to that code, and none of them fixed my issue. So I went through and started unplugging other camshaft sensor. In between every time I unplugged it, I would start the car just to see what the car would do. I unplugged the exhaust valve timing sensor that's on the right side, which is bank 2, and fired it up. It hesitated to start, but this time when it started, the idle dropped lower. So it usually idles around 1200, which is really high for these cars. So I unplugged it, started it up, and started idling at like 400, not 400, my bad, 800, 900, 800 range, like that. So I was like, this is progress. I then plugged up my scanner and got a different code this time. So the different code was basically saying that the other sensors unplug. But that also gave me faith to go and do some more research on that code. And I may have possibly figured out what is wrong with the car. Maybe. I'm still not for sure. I'm guessing. I'm going out on the limb, but I've put like 2 racks into this car already since I've had it, trying to fix this one problem, and it still hasn't worked. So I am a little beat up about it, but this might fix the problem. So the forum was saying that the guy, same thing, replaced all 4 sensors. The code was still on, took it to the dealership. They said that his cam was reading that it was about 45 degrees off from where it was supposed to be. The guy was saying that it's maybe the camshaft sprocket that causes this. So it's either that, which I hope it's not, because the actual sprocket is on the internals of the engine, and I don't plan on taking it apart that far. But if I have to, I will. He said it's either that sprocket or it's the outside sensor cover plate. I can actually show you guys. I don't know why I'm talking like I can't show y'all. Y'all can see here your boy did that wiring harness. I did that. But he was saying that it's either A, this plate right here that also has a sensor connected to it, but it's all one piece. He said it's either that or it's the camshaft sprocket. And the sprocket, if I'm not mistaken, is behind this on the other side. But there's a pain in that butt to get to, because you got to take off the timing chain and all that. I didn't really read into it, because once I seen that the internals, it's an internal part of the engine, I was like, nah, I ain't doing all that. But I just might do it. I just might do it. So that's where we're at now with the car. I just wanted to show you guys now that the idle did go down. It does take a second to start, so bear with it. And this is still somewhat of a cold start, so I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit, then I'll come back to you guys with what is idling at. AJ wanted to be in the video again, so yeah. now that it's up to temp, well, somewhat up to temp, still got a little bit more to go, but y'all can see that it is idling around like 900, 800 range, which is a good sign. So one, it's not consuming that much gas anymore, and two, I feel like I'm a lot closer to figuring out what it is. If you do, or if you've been through this problem before, like I said, your input is definitely wanted. Please, Infiniti guys, come through for your boy so we can get more content rolling for this car. That's just been the hold up, though. I wanted to update you guys on what I was going through. I do have another video that never got posted, so you may see this one first or second. However that plays out, y'all will see two videos, and I hope that we can get this figured out together. If we do, like I said, that'll be perfect, and I can get more content rolling for you guys. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm still alive, your boy's still in this, and we still trucking one day at a time. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all support, and it's your boy J-Lo out, this guy. You.